Do you want to create more engaging material? I'm going to show you flipbooks. It's like a PDF on steroids. You just finish a meeting and you offer to send more information. What do you usually send? A PDF, right? Wrong. You send a flipbook. Flipbooks are an interactive way of showing information. The recipient will feel more motivated to browse your material. Some are animated. If you're on a tablet or phone, the user can change pages like a real book. To make a flipbook, you need two things: a PDF file and a flipbook maker website. The nicer the PDF, the nicer the flipbook. I'm going to show you a quick way to make eye-catching PDF to be converted to flipbooks. First thing to do is find a design I like. I search in Google Images, and then I search for the same thing in Canva, and I found one I like. You will have tons to choose from, but black and golden are always winners. Go for it. You can use any software you have access to. I'm going to show you how to do it in PowerPoint. You will need to download the cover you chose. Since I took it from Canva, I downloaded the background, the letters, and the bill in separate files to make this tutorial faster. Otherwise, I would have to separate the elements using graphic tools. First, you create a blank project, and then you change the configuration to portrait. I like portrait. It feels more like a book. You paste the background that you copy from the internet. You replace the title, change the color, change the size. For the subtitle, again, change color, change size, place everything in place, and you already have your cover. It's that easy. Now we create the slides. Start duplicating your slide without the main image, in my case the bill, and display your information. Remember to be as clear as possible, in as little words as possible. You're not writing a book, we just want it to look like a book. Now the final step. Let's create the flipbook. Export the PowerPoint presentation as a PDF file. I created a free account in Simple Booklet. Upload the file, choose the desired navigation style, and click Create. And watch the magic happen. Now you have your flipbook ready. Try it out. See it in motion. It looks great. A lot better than a regular PDF, right? With Simple Booklet, you can now personalize the background of your presentation. Remember that unless you have a paid account, you won't be able to embed your presentation in your website. It will always show with the background you choose. But this is actually great. You have lots of options to choose from.